Yeah, that's right. I'm the first one to walk out of Wheelspin with the Limitless. Yeah, that's right, people. That's right. First one off the press. Just arrived literally as I pulled up. Delivery was coming in 5 minutes later. Here we go. So let's get home and show you what this is all about. There you have it. Yeah, Limitless. Wheelspin stock. Birmingham GT RCs. We out here and representing. Yeah, baby. Woo! Yeah, you know what time it is. Let's get down here. Yeah. Well, as you guys can see, first one off the press, guys. First one from Wheelspin. I got the first one off the press, guys. Literally, I went in to collect a part. And as I jumped in my car, the guy come running out like, yeah, this is the delivery. It's turned up. This is it. Don't go nowhere. Yeah, man. First one off the press, guys. Hitting the streets of the UK. This is how we're doing it. So let's not bore you with the whole unboxing thing. You guys know what this is all about. You've seen plenty of review videos and unboxing videos. So let's just get this out of the box. Woo, man, I'm so excited. All you guys who have unboxed one of these already know exactly how I feel. Oh man, I'm super excited. Oh man, that drive home was real sweet. You know, you're just playing your music and you're just cruising home, knowing what you got to unbox. Yeah, man. So, let's get this out. Let's see what we got. Oh man, look at this. Woo! Look at this, baby. Oh. Okay, as you all know, it's the usual script in here. Tools, pinion gear, stickers, manuals, speed guides, body posts and all kinds. I'll have a good look through that later. You guys don't need to watch me looking through this now. I'll have a look through that. Oh man, look at this. Woo! Let's get it out of the box. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh man, let's get it unclipped because we know it's cable tied down. So let's get this all cut off. Woo! Get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Oh man, I can't believe I got my hands on a Limitless, guys. Woo! Look at that. Sitting right there, looking pretty. Should we do the slow unveil? Yeah, that's right, that's right, that's right. First off the press. Right here, people. Armour Limitless. Birmingham GT RCs representing. This is how we do it, people. This is how we do it. And we're ready to tear it up. We're ready to tear it up. Wow. Oh man, this is looking real nice, guys. It's looking real nice. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Right, so. Oh man, where do we start? Well, I wasn't expecting this until later in the month, but the due date changed and I was like, wow, this thing's going to be here in a couple of days. So I've been rushing around like mad, ordering parts and all kinds, you know, to get this buggy up and running for the weekend so I can have a little blast. So let's show you what I got going on. I had to quickly put some stuff together, you know. It's not exactly what I want to run, but you know, I've made it work. So powering it, Max 6, guys, ATES compatible. I had my local hobby store, Wheelspins, put me my connectors on. I did solder up the cat pack wires myself. as you can see. So speaking of cat packs, here you go, Ripple Killer. This is what we're doing. We're going to be running a 6S Ripple Killer cat pack on there. So we got that to go in. I have ordered a high torque servo, same as what I got in my Arrma Typhon. So for now, until that gets here in a day or two, I've got the stock Arrma servo, so we can chuck that in for now. It will do the job. And I've got a Castle Creations 1550 2200 motor. Cut the wires down a bit shorter and stuff, and I'm using the Max 6 wires instead. I put connectors on the end, so you know, just connect them up and I'll be using them. So I've got that to go in there, 2200 motor, 6S. And we need something to control it all, guys. So yeah, no, guess not. Maybe this one, it's got good range. I'm quite impressed with it for a cheap controller. Yes, no, guess not. All right then, so this is a good controller. This does the job. It feels nice, and some of you are probably saying no still. I think it's a good controller. I do like FlySky, but I guess we'll have to go a little bit better. Yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. FlySky Noble MB4, people. Look at that. That's what you call a sweet controller right there, guys. Noble MB4. This is how we're doing it, people. This is how we're doing it. So yeah, well, what can I say? We need to do the magic thing, don't we? Of course, we've got the long range receiver. I have got two other 4-channel receivers, the shorter range, which are like 200 meters. This says it's 300 meters. You've seen plenty of reviews on everything here, guys. So yeah, let's click our fingers and get this all inside. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Just giving you that little close-up. This is how we're doing it. All nice, all set. That's right, that's right. Yeah. See, this is how we're doing it. This is how we're doing it. This is our little starter setup. And to be honest with you guys, as it was a bit of a rush to get it all together, I mean, this is supposed to go into my Typhon. It's what I was going to put in my Typhon. So, yeah, I will be getting this set up into my Typhon when I get the setup that I actually want to put in my Limitless. You know, it caught me off guard by a week or two. So, yeah, we can work with this for now. And stay tuned for what I've got to come, guys. But, you know, I thought I'd give you guys a little look. Yep, that's right. Arrma Typhon hitting the UK streets, guys. Yeah. And as I'm nearly hitting my 500 subscribers, and I have to give a big shout out to every single one of you guys, man. You know, I love the support. I love the feedback. You know, I love watching you guys' videos and that. You know, I've learned so much from you guys, and this way I always try to give so much back, and I always, you know, give out as much information as I can. You know, I'm not one for secrets, man. Do you know what I mean? We're out here to have fun. It's what it is. We're having fun. You know, so it is what it is, guys. If you need to know anything, just let me know. But if you want one of these, I will tell you now, Wheelspin had, I think they had 8 come into stock on that first batch, and 6 are already sold. I had the first one, guys. So if you are looking for one of these, and you know, Wheelspin motors over Canuck, they've got 2 left to sell, guys. So, you know, you better get on that quick today, tomorrow, before the end of the week, or you're going to be waiting for the second batch. But yeah, man. Oh, look at this, guys. You're all seeing it for a first time with me. Man, look at this. Oh, sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Yeah, that's how we're doing it, people. That's how we're doing it. So I thought I'd just get this out and let you guys have a look at what I'm working with. It's Limitless time, baby. This is Birmingham GT RCs. Back at it.